Guys, welcome to Softreviewed. In this video, I just quickly want to show you a new really good feature that Google Gemini introduced. Now you can generate 2K images absolutely for free using Google's image generation model. Yeah, you heard me right. It's 2K resolution, so the quality is going to be really good and you can get it for free. In order to get that for free, all you have to do is come to this website, astudio.google.com. Once you are here, the UI will look like this. And what you have to do is you just come here on you can click on generate media. Then you can also create videos, create ultra realistic text to speech, and you can also do some image editing as well. In this video, we'll be focusing on the new feature from Imagen. You just click on Imagen. Now you will see this UI. You will see this UI where you can enter your text from here. You can select your different models from here. So if you want ultra fast generation, you can use the Imagen 4 model. If you want ultra high quality, then use this model, Imagen 4 Ultra. I would definitely recommend you use this model so that you will get the highest quality. All the models, as you can see, support resolution like in 1K and 2K. I think now the base resolution is 1K. So, and the fast model is not supporting the 2K resolution output. Select the resolution as 2K. Then you can select any aspect ratio as you want. Unlike the OpenAI model, it's not restricted to some fixed aspect ratio. This covers a lot more aspect ratio. That's the main reason why I like Gemini models, because the quality is really good and it can also now produce text as well. So I'll just show you both. I will generate 2 images for you guys as well. So you can also at a time generate up to 4 images for different variations. Now let's keep it to 1 and just select the 16:9 aspect ratio. And let me just select a prompt. Here I will just paste this prompt. Now I'll just click on run. So this is like a hyper realistic illustration of a future smart office. Shows sunlight streaming through the large window, intricate details on the desk, including like soft reviewed AI productivity. So I just want to show you like how the text rendering as well with this. So as you can see, the image looks really great. If I just download the image, let me just download the image. And if I just look at the size now, it's 5.59 MB. So look at the quality, guys. Looks really high quality. Let me also try to generate a human face in order to show you how that looks. So let me just click on run again. So mind you that the output will be in PNG format and the size is around 5 MB. So as you can see, the quality looks really great. I have downloaded it. Let me just show you the quality here. See, you can improve the prompt, but what I want to show you is like the quality of the now. Earlier it used to show like some pixelation. Now there is no pixelation, right? So the quality is really great. Just a quick video to show you guys this is now possible and it's absolutely free to try out. And if you look at the size, this one is also like 5.26 MB. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please don't forget to share and subscribe for more future tips and tricks. And again, thank you for watching and have a great day.
Like, share, subscribe. Hey!